Hi again, folks. I'm going to cover the same problem now, solving for the sides of this rectangle. Same problem here, 5 to 2. This is the width, this is the length. This time I'm going to use the method of substitution. I'm going to use a systems of equations approach. This is the one that I covered originally in class. Some people found it a little bit confusing, so if you like the scale factor method better, use that way. If you like the substitution method, you can use this way. Okay, so I'm going to say that once again the perimeter of this rectangle can be modeled by the equation P is equal to, well, the length plus the width plus the length plus the width. I can say again, this is the same thing as the perimeter is equal to, combining like terms, 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Okay, and I can say that that is equal to 84. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 84 in right there for P. So I can say now that 84 is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And then I can solve for either one of these two variables. I can either solve for the L or the W. I think I'll solve for the W. So I'm going to move this over here. So I'm going to say that 84 minus 2 times the length is equal to 2 times the width. And I'm going to divide everything by 2. So these cancel, those cancel. So I get 42 minus L is equal to the width. Okay? And this problem told me that the ratio of the width is equal to the length is equal to 2 to 5. So if I wanted to set up a proportion, I could say that 2 is to 5 the same way the width is to the length. Okay? Now this presents a bit of a problem because right now I've got two variables. I've got the W and I've got the length. So I can't write a single algebraic expression to solve for one of the other. But what I've got down here, I've already done this work. I've got this. This is W, right? This is W. So this W here, this W right here in blue is the same W that's right here. Okay, so I can basically fill this in, and I can say then that 2 is to 5 as 42 minus L, and again that's coming from right here, just taking that and putting it right here in for where W would be, okay, is to L. So that's my substitution. Okay. Now I can do the algebra out. This is going to be cross multiply 2 and L equals 5 times the quantity 42 minus L, again from cross multiplying here. Okay, so this is 2L is equal to 5 times 42. 5 times 42 is 210. 210 minus 5L. Move that over there. You get 7L is equal to 210, and which gives you a length of L is equal to 30. So if L is equal to 30, I can take this equation here, take the 30, plug it in right here. I can say then that, well, then the width is equal to 42 minus L. The width is equal to 42 minus 30, and then the width is equal to 12 feet. So I've got 30 feet long, 12 feet wide. Let's just double check that. If we said that the perimeter is equal to twice the length plus twice the width, we say that the perimeter is equal to 2 times 30 plus 2 times 12. Well, and we're saying, is that equal to 84? Well, 2 times 30 is 60 feet, plus 2 times 12 is going to be 24 feet. And yes, indeed, 60 plus 24 is 84 feet, so that's our perimeter. You'll see that it's the exact same answer that we got over here, that L was equal to 30. And when we substitute back, we'll get the 12.